Bumping that ass on the floor, bumping and grinding that pole. The way she's grinding that pole, I think I'm losing control. Get drunk, get drunk, get drunk, get fucked up. Hit the strip club, don't forget one. Get your dick rubbed, get fucked, get sucked, get wasted, shit tasted, tasted, blasted. You drink up, get a new drink, hit the bathroom, sink up. Like a shoe clean, got a routine going, still got a few chunks on them shoestrings showing. I was dehydrated to the beat vibrated, I was revived as soon as this bitch gyrated them hits and lick them whips, and that was it. I had to get Nate Dogg to sing some shit.
Two to the one, from the one to the three. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat. Two to the one, from the one to the three. I met a bad bitch last night in the beat. Let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation and the Hennessy. I've been to the motherfucking mountaintop. Heard motherfuckers talk, see the drop. If I ain't got a record, I'ma pick up a rock. And when I bust your ass, I'm gonna continue to rock. Get your ass off the wall with your two left feet. It's real easy, just follow the beat. Don't let that fine girl pass you by. Look real close, cause strobe lights. Gonna have a party. Turn the music, let's get it started. Go ahead and shake your body. Looking for a girl with a body and a sexy strut. Wanna get it poppin', baby, step right up. Think I retarded? So feel about it, body. I'm looking for a girl that will do whatever the fuck I say. Every day she be giving it up. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Oh, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me.
I'm a menace, and all hygienist. Open your mouth for about 4 or 5 minutes. Take a little bit of this fluoride fitting. Switch, but don't sit it. Swallow and now finish. Yeah, me and Nate deal double G. Looking for a couple bitches with some double D's. Top of